soul of them. So we worked here. And in the meanwhile, a lot of the alumni died for our experiments. Was it like, what happened exactly?
I go here on Monday and it's like half die for that three for the three that we made later. And when the Thursday I come here, it's almost all die, just one or two still there. And today they all die.
Except for the big box, they actually are flourishing.
Yes, just the two that we first make, the baker and another one, they are alive, and the rest they die. And the group 6, they also, their lamina also died.
So we're not even.
Yeah, and they said they put 20 laminas on that 3 bakers, and they die, and we put 30. So I don't know the problem.
Yeah, that's the second point for today. What's the cause of death?
Criminals.
I have no idea actually. It's very tricky.
I thought it might be because nutrients are not enough.
No,
No,
we
I don't
don't.
think so actually.
The first experiment is still alive.
Yeah.
I think actually it has something to do with the way they actually interact with each other. Because in the big one, we already had quite a large surface of lamina, and well, it got even bigger. But for the other one, we only put like 30, and they were getting together and.
But in the beaker and flask. Sorry, my apologies. There was even less. There were like 10 lemon plants, and that's growing so nicely.
Yeah, that's true.
And they're like with big leaves and really.
But in that one, we also noticed there's quite a lot of algae.
That's true.
Yeah.
But only in the ones that survived.
Yeah. There's no algae in the death.
No.
In the death zone.
So I think. Yeah. What do you guys think would be the solution for this?
I thought that the light is not. No, I thought maybe light burned them, but then all of them would be because they're kind of in the same line.
Shall we change into bakers?
Yeah, but
Another flask also.
yeah.
So
No, because I noticed the other group's experiments, not the ones that are doing lamina, but the ones that are doing the chicken manure ash.
Oh yeah.
And they're also grew quite okay
Oh yeah.
in a flask. So it's not the recipient. It's not nutrient depleted. It's not the recipient. It's not the light. It's not temperature. Famke said something about a shock, right?
Yeah. For example, if you are like in 20 degrees Celsius and you get into suddenly the conditions change and suddenly it's -20.
But that was not the case because we took it out from basically the same temperature water, but they were in the same room for a long time, so that couldn't be the case.
I did notice in the beginning in the big box, there was this kind of shock because a lot of them died.
Some of them died, yeah.
But now they're coming back. It's like they're
sort of natural selection, it seems.
And we did start the experiment while they were in that
Yeah, that's
shock.
actually what I think. I think we can take the lamina now because they are now used to those conditions.
Oh, maybe that's
Maybe we can.
right.
So maybe we don't have to add extra lamina.
Oh,
We can
yeah.
use 30 again.
We could take the individuals that look like they're new.
Yeah, like the
So,
ones who grew very fat because they are still natural selected.
And then try a new experiment with that.
It's hard to calculate those
Yeah, they're like.
because they have different sizes and you cannot tell like what percentage has grown out of them until the actual maturity.
Yeah, that's kind of tricky.
Yeah, that's a good idea, I think. To take the used ones. The ones that are used to that.
And then we have to restart the experiment.
Yeah, but
And we
well,
also
we
have
have
a
to
meeting
always-
next week, so
But we have to restart the experiment anyways. It's all died.
yeah.
So actually, today and this week we should set up as many experiments as possible because I think next week, when will the
Next week.
clients come visit us? Next week.
When
So
next
that
week?
they can, so we actually have something to show them.
Yeah,
So basically we have almost 2 weeks.
I think we should start all the experiments here.
We have the lights now,
Mm-hmm.
so we can actually start that one. Okay. And that's actually already covered what I wanted to discuss.
Do we have anything to write?
Not really. Did you take some? Well, if we're going to start again, then
But I also take the sample and
yeah, we can check if it took
Yeah.
up anything, if there's a difference.
Yeah.
I don't think we should conclude anything
Yeah.
from those.
No,
Because if they die, there's no uptake at all.
Yeah. Yeah, but at first didn't they split a little bit? I think they grew. a
yeah,
little bit
at first they did grow actually. That's the weird
Which
part.
ones?
Also,
The nutrient uptake
Yeah.
experiment? I don't think so. If you
No?
count them now, the dead ones are close to 30 or something. It looks
Okay.
like the same area is taken up.
Okay. So they didn't grow at all.
No, at all.
Just died. Interesting.
and I think we should ask for the light experiments. If we
Yes.
can also start those. But for that we need more water bed. And
For light experiment, we don't need more water.
no. But for the temperature.
Yeah. We have to ask.
But for the light experiment, we need timers for different sections of the light. So how do we do it with only one light?
Yeah, that's also what I was wondering.
Oh yeah.
We can only do it 1 week for each.
Yeah. For each light.
Or we can decide to do for like 1 week only one of the experiments.
Yeah,
but
yeah.
that's kind of tricky because then we cannot compare directly. Then we
Yeah.
have to compare by pictures.
Yeah.
But we can do that.
Yeah, that's the solution.
Well, we can do it over 3 weeks for all of the 3 different.
Yeah, it kind of depends on how fast you grow, I think.
It's tricky because we don't have much time, but we have to conclude something in a shorter amount of time. So.
Yeah.
Where's everyone looking?
Soldiers.
Well, what nature gives us
Sparkles.
It's inspiring.
inspiration.
Exactly. Green. Anyway.
To the point, guys. Come on, focus. Project.
Yeah, so today we're starting the light.
Yep.
And then we're gonna do it like hours by hours, right? 22 hours
Mhm.
today. And then next
We have
day.
the timer as well.
There are two.
And does anyone know how they work?
We'll figure it out.
Yeah.
We can test it.
Very smart people. And then what about CO2? Do you know that they have this pump thingy?
because Femka said we have that thing.
We are upstairs.
So, yeah,
So we just set it up and go. Right, okay.
But I think we have to ask some.
Yeah, in the lab some lab people.
By the way, for the Lena, we can also use the one that has grown in the first experiment. It's
Yeah.
easier to take out, for example.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can do that actually. Because we don't need those anymore.
No.
But are those enough?
Yeah.
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 Yeah, they're like over 50 now.
Ooh.
Maybe even more.
Yeah, it's more than 50 because on Monday I count it's 45, so
Whoa.
it's more than that.
That's cool from them.
Mm-hmm.
Such a nice lineup. Oh, right there.
Well, how long has it been since we started? 3 weeks.
Yeah, 3 weeks. 3 or 2 weeks.
So
3, I think 3.
But the weird
It's
thing is actually that all of those grew pretty well.
Yeah.
If it was because of natural selection, and some of those also should have died.
Some, but none did.
But we even put in less lemna than the other ones, so I don't understand why.
So maybe we put just the stronger lamina.
Yeah, that we're very lucky or something.
Maybe we should do some
That's,
research on the causes of lamina death or something like that, because they're in the experiments already done somewhere else.
Yes.
Could be there.
Yeah, we can search for it.
We also measure the nutrients in the effluent, and it's different with, and that the company give to us the concentration.
Oh, that's true.
Mhm.
Yeah,
They were pretty different.
it's big difference.
So what do we conclude about that?
It's about new experiments.
So I think that because we don't because the lamina we didn't know what species lamina it is.
Yeah,
Lamina minor.
but I think it was lamina definitely,
Yeah.
most likely.
Famke just said now that it isn't.
Is it?
So maybe it's lamaniva.
Okay. Maybe we should check in a microscope.
Yeah, we can. Well, we don't have to do that. I think we can just check pictures and
Yeah.
what's the difference.
Okay.
But I think lamaniva and minor look pretty simple.
So
No.
maybe the lamina giba can get grew up in this effluent, but another one cannot. So maybe we pick.
That they outcompete each other.
Yeah. So maybe this is the reason that some die, some
Mhm.
alive.
What else?
Do you guys have anything to add to this meeting?
Can't think about anything now. So, yeah. Should get the experiments next.
I think so too.
Thank you,
In
Chairman.
that case, you guys are dismissed, expelled, all of you.
No, the organization is now through. Thank you, Chairman. That's nice. I mean,